Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search web pages for keywords on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up your web browser or Google Chrome and then tap the Control and F key on your keyboard. And then you can search the page just by typing inside of this field for certain words, and then it should become highlighted here. Clicking the up and down arrow will show multiple appearances of that word if that is the case. And that's pretty much it. You can also select the menu icon at the top right and select where it says Find and Edit and select Find, and that'll achieve the same result. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.